My name is Justyna Sokol. I am Senior Research Scientist at Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio in Texas. I joined SHIELD during the phase 2, and I was assigned a role of the Director of Research Trust number 1, which focused on the study of the global shape of the heliosphere. I was born and raised in Poland. My first memory, I saw a broadcast with a man walking with a huge white suit, and I asked my parents, who is that man? And they replied, it's astronaut. He studied astronomy. So I get started to be interested in astronomy, and then I learned that astronomy is just a part of physics. And I was interested in physics and started to study physics more and more and more. In my free time, I enjoy cooking, because the process of preparing a meal or food for my family and for my friends reminds me the phases of mission life cycle. When you prepare a NASA mission, you have certain phases, A, B, C, D, E, and it's very similar in cooking, because you need to have an idea, have the cravings, then you need to have the list of ingredients, then you need to plan what you want to do and what order, then you start the cooking. And it's like the integration, assembly, and testing. And then it's phase E. So when you enjoy the food, I think this is very important that we follow our passion. And whatever we do in the life, we do it with all our heart, 100%.